Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another haul. What a surprise, surprise. I think it's going to be a pause now. However, I got a package from YesStyle. It took me a lot of time to receive it. I think it has been over a month, like 2 months maybe. It is because many times they don't have clothing and items in stock. So if you want to get items like in 2 weeks, then be sure that you order only like filter the items that they have already in stock. So that's like my first tip. The first are these Barbie pink joggers. I have wanted to have like a Barbie pink kind of pants for like a really long time. First impression, feels soft. They are such a thick material and they are baby soft on the inside. I'm just surprised at the quality. I hope they're going to fit me good with the quality. Usually from like pages like that, they have either really thin material or they have this, I don't know even how to explain. I have ordered from eBay some which I couldn't wear because the quality is such a like cheap polyester material, like really bad, that you just feel like you're sophisticated in it. Like it feels so hot, it feels like you're wearing some garbage bag, some plastic around you, and this is not that. The price was like 22 euros, probably because of that. Like the price is not cheap, it's like normal price for good quality pants, kind of not expensive but also not cheap, and it has even pockets. I'm shocked. I just hope they fit really good. Good job, YesStyle, like good job. All the links and also my discount code. I think I had a discount code. All the links, everything down below. And then I wanted Chanel inspired skirt. I have wanted for some time. I'm lately like into this chic, elegant mood. Probably it's because it's like winter and fall, and I feel like winter and fall is great for like Parisian style. This I hope I will fit in. The quality again, really thick, really good. The printing, really amazing. Oh, and it has even like a little bit of glitter in it. These will be again amazing like this. Hope I can fit in them, please. If not, I'm like going on diet, like that's for sure. 18 euros. These are size L. On each item I look at their size chart and also I read reviews if they have some, what people say, and it helps a lot actually to order like a good clothing, so I suggest you to do that. This was this dress. It was like this sweater kind of dress, but the more elegant one. I wanted something soft and cozy to wear at home but still look like really cute. And this is in beige. They had many colors, but I wanted in beige. Material is it actually feels heavy, but the material itself is like a little bit thin. I hope it's not like too transparent or something. It looks good. And I like that it cinches in waist because those just look better on me. 18.50. Then I ordered a bucket hat just because, I don't know, I thought if I would not like it as style, I think I don't like it as styling up. I think it's not going to look great on me. But I thought maybe when I go camping and go on hikes and stuff. This is like a good quality bucket hat and it's like really sturdy. I cannot try it on because I have my ponytail. The bucket hat was 5 euros. So normal for a hat. And then I ordered belt because many times there are dresses that are in style or I just love them, but they on me look like I will be pregnant, they don't cinch in waist and so on. So I thought I need some cute and fun belt and just style up and try on different dresses. And I ordered this belt. It's black belt with buttons on the back and it has this really beautiful rose detailing. I think it was one size, you could not choose. This would also look great with like white oversized shirt that I have right now as well. This was 10 euros. Then we have this anime kind of style of shirt. I'm not like really fan of anime, but I saw this and it kind of caught my attention. This is size L. It has like straps like this on the sleeves. It feels pretty good quality. It feels soft while still like lightweighted. It has like this girl on the chest, which I actually kind of like because it's like a cat, kitty cat, and I like cats. I like all animals actually. And this was 17 euros 60. And then this dress, which I hope is going to fit me. And I wanted just a red dress, which I thought maybe for photos for Christmas or just in general for Christmas. And then I found this dress. It's really not the best quality. This is a little bit disappointment. because it doesn't have even like underskirt, at least, you know. It is beautiful, so maybe for like Christmas photos I can make it work and then just see what I can do else with it. I do like the sleeves like this with a little bit of ruffle. Soft shoulder dress. I feel like underneath this one you need to wear kind of some bodies or something, like bodysuits or whatever like that. First, that you cannot see it through, and also that it like looks everything good. And this was 45 euros. I'm really excited. Let's see how it looks on. I feel like always when I film these videos I have my green socks on. These are beautiful, amazing. Obviously, as I'm petite, they are a little bit too long. Maybe S size would be better, but who knows, you know? Like, this band's pretty tight. I love them so much. A little bit oversized, but still cute. Great quality, like amazing quality. All the time I'm trying to tell you, if you don't like the color, check them out. Maybe they have other tones. I don't remember exactly for these ones, but usually they always have different tones. I think they had also for these ones. As pants in general, love them, suggest them. You will not be disappointed. Okay guys, the skirt. I was so scared because nothing is scarier than getting like your dream skirt and not fitting in. There's some items where I'm like, okay, this doesn't fit, I'm going to sell it, give it away, whatever. But this I wanted to fit in and I did, and it actually fits really good. Plus, which I was surprised first time when I ordered, for example, from Shein, to find that many of their mini skirt, they have like sewed in like a shorts kind of, so you feel more protected, you feel more free, you feel like you're not going to flash anyone, and I love that. I was so shocked because you don't expect that from like a lower price brands, you know, pages. This skirt also have it. It has like sewed in short knit, which makes the feel just better. I imagine wearing this with like black ties or any kind of ties and over knee boots, which I need to find. That's like a weird, I don't know, what is this, like a thread, which I need to cut. Love the material, is really sturdy, really beautiful. I think it cinches in really good. I feel really great. I really love when it's classy and elegant and still sexy, like cute. Like, you just need to balance it out, girls. Like, even if you're 18 or something and you are like forced and feel like you need to show off your whole body, no. Imagine turtleneck, like sleek turtleneck, this skirt and like over the knee boots, and you look sexy but at the same time elegant, and it like you respect yourself and beautiful. This is kind of cute one, really soft, feels really good. You can see a little bit because I have like a black bra, but in general like you cannot really see a lot, and I feel like it's like a cute dress that you can wear around the house when I don't want to get out of my pajama. I need to remember that I have something like this. I will just wish, as many people already say, like, why do you have the soft material outside? You need to have it on the inside. And I really agree. I think this one also should have, like, made it on the inside, you know? I think I have it clear. As I said, that this does not have the best material. It's really thin. However, I do not see through it, which is a good sign, obviously. Plus, I really love how it looks on me. I need to do like a check how it is without the bra. I'm usually not into things with off shoulder, just because I know that for me I always need to wear a bra and it looks really not good. But then once I bought this top and I wear it all the time without bra and it looks good. That's another thing which I don't like about these off the shoulder. They usually do like this and you end up with something in the middle. Literally wear it just like this as well. Oh, and I have this belt. Maybe I can see if I can wear it with this one. Let's see. I think someone said that someone said, I think in the comment section, that the buttons are not really holding tight. Oh my god. Oh my god. In general, it looks amazing. Like, it is sexy. Look at that. Ooh, I have some shape finally. Maybe with this one I can wear it without the bra on. I don't know, but it looks good. I suggest this corset more than the dress. Why do I kind of look like a single mom who goes fishing, but at the same time I look hot? First off, I'm really shocked that this hat suits me. My head is huge. So if you have a big head, wear this one. You can buy it. It's, as I said, it's good quality. It really does feel really good. I'm shocked. Like, I would actually wear this in like a camping at least and feel like cute. Am I crazy? Like, let me know in the comment section down below. Does this hat look good on me or not? I was expecting to see like some kind of weirdo, but I kind of love this hat. Okay, let's talk about the shirt though. The shirt, I like it. I like the shirt. Also, yes, it could be longer. That's it for today's haul. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you have shop from YesStyle, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if there are special brands you want me to try on and do a haul for you. And see you guys next time.